Delayed reaction.
They're not like firecrackers.
We're gonna have to wait an hour to be safe.
Get the wires hooked up. Oh, the light's working. Batteries are on.
Are they hooked on
Is
the
there
right
an on
way?
button on the rocket?
Are they clamped on the right one?
Yeah, that's what
I don't know. Give a safety on.
Turn the safety on. Turn the safety on just in case.
You guys did read the
This is just,
instructions,
this is still rolling now, the whole thing.
Same with mine.
Oh, 1 minute of done.
Oh, I got 43.
Oh,
It might be the fuse too, like the igniter too. We don't know. Might need to put new. We have 4 ignitors.
Oh, where'd it go?
Did you get that?
Oh yeah, it's still recording. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
It's coming. It's gonna hit the.
There it is. Let's see it. This thing's not picking it up.
Oh, I'll go and catch it. In the tree, in the tree. Oh.
Oh, it's way over there. It's stuck in the tree.
No, it went in the tree.
It's stuck in the tree.